Hello, mega love shout out everyone. Happy blessed Tuesday to all. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan lahat at ligtas sa anumang kapahamakan. Thank you guys. Thank you talaga. Thank you. Alam niyo yan. Well. Good morning. Mega love shout out everyone. Shout out to all my loyal supporters, subscribers. Slowly tayo, baka marinig tayo dun sa camera. Thank you, Sisikoy, Susana G. Thank you, Sisikoy. And Arsian Block. Thank you, sir. Sino pa yun? Life Adventure. Thank you. And gusto ko i-shout out ang aking bunso sa Pilipinas. Sana nasa mabuti kang kalagayan, anak, at saka okay ka na sana. Huwag mo pabayaan yung sarili mo dyan. At syempre aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, Juliet and Vlog. Sis, malapit lang matapos ang Ramadan, 26 na. Tiis, malapit na. First of all, we thank God, Allah above all, because we are okay and fine, and alhamdulillah, beautiful. Yung buzzers ko na dyan, kaliwali. So, yun, I would like to thank and shout out to all my friends and subscribers always supporting me. Shout out si Sikoy Job Sinaway. Shout out si Sikoy Lauren Directo. Sisikoy Nana Hani YTC, Sisikoy Mayetski Channel, Sisikoy Susana G, Adding Love Travel Music, Talpa Cakes, Kapsat Aunt Onyo, thank you also. Bagyo Blessed Day, shout out. Ano ba sa shout out ko? Shout out Adding Nails TV, shout out Sisikoy Agbiag Vlog at Conce, shout out Told Your Music Guitar, shout out Insan, and Adding Coach Samuhing TV, shout out Holy Marie, shout out, miss ko kayong lahat. Sisi Pretty Lady Tulipa Tulips, shout out Yelay Channel, shout out Yelay Channel. And of course, also very supportive, Kabsat Arturo Blanco, YTV Bayon, Arturo Blanco, thank you Kabsat. And Parko Homage Channel, and Hasan Pasna, thank you for your support. Hasan Pasna, shout out, TY Best. And baka may nakalimutan ako. And of course, to all my subscribers here and always supporting me, thank you. And I hope everybody's doing well and doing fine and handsome and beautiful. Sana okay lang kayo dyan at ligtas sa anumang kapahamakan. And shout out to Sisikoy Princess Freya, shout out. And Sisikoy El De Los Santos Mix Vlog, shout out. Sisikoy Good Vibes Marie, shout out Sisikoy Good Vibes Marie. And Ate JB Sisikoy, shout out Ate JB Sisikoy. And Sisikoy Dekada China, shout out Sisikoy Dekada China. I miss you so much, Sikoy. Miss na kita. And of course, I would like to thank yung mga nagpi-play sa aking playlist. Thanks Sisikoy Job Sinaway, Love Travel Music, Talpa Cakes, and Sisikoy Nana Honey YTC. Shout out. Thank you. And shout out also to Kabsat Tiwala Lang TV and Kamahalan Toyo yung shout out din sa'yo, Kamahalan. Ano pa? And of course, to all of you guys, shout out everyone. And of course, shout out to all solid Duterte supporters. Shout out to all of you guys. And sana pag bumoto kayo sa May, please vote straight ang PDP laban. Yan lang. Maraming salamat. At again, big thanks to all of you guys. And I hope na magsuportahan tayo. I hope you will play me also some of my videos because I need to monetize before, I don't know, before July. Yes, before July. Sana na kumpleto ka na. Siguro rin directo. Thank you. Pasensya na. Minsan hindi ako nakakapasal sa inyo. Sisikoy Leah De Santi, shout out din. And of course to all my subscribers and supporters here, thank you. Kat Fitri channel, terima kasih sister all the way from Indonesia, and Tantran channel, thank you. And of course to all my loyal supporters, subscribers here, and thank you so much for your support. And please to those who did not subscribe me yet, please subscribe me. Rose the Melon Vlog. Thank you. Happy blessed Wednesday everyone today. March 26, 2025 and Wednesday afternoon here in Dubai. Thank you guys.